So again, in the next part, we will see the same lesson, that is the invention of invention of Vita Wong. And here Charlie and Wonka, in the second part we will see that how everything, they were discovering, they were searching the oldest things that they find. Okay, whatever they find, the oldest things, they collect it, the very important thing of those animals or those things they have collected, and mm, they were trying to bring or make something new in this next invention. So here in the part 2 we will find what they have produced it. Okay, all over the world Charlie and Mr. Wonka went on, and he said all over the world they were just went on, and they tracked down very old and ancient animals. So what they found, they have found that ancient, very old and ancient animals, and took an important little bit of something. They have taken some important little bit of those animals or things, whatever they get it there, something from each one of them, like a hair. Okay, a hair also, or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped from between its toe. So whatever they get it, and they bring this one. So I tracked down the Wonka said, I tracked down the, so he have what, tracked down, searched down many things, like whistle pig, the bobolink, the shrek, the poly frog, again the giant curlew, the stinging slug, and the venomous squircle, who can spit, poisons from where, right into your eyes, who can spit the poison right into your eyes from 50 yards away. If these things are like venomous squircle, if it is 50 yards away from you, but also it can spit the poison right into your eyes. But there is no time to tell all this about. He was telling these things to his Charlie, and he said again, but we don't have time to tell all about this now, Charlie. So let me just say quickly that in the end what he did. So he want to say what he did in the end. So after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my inventing room, so what he did after all, what he did, he just lots of boiling, he boiled, oh, whatever the things he had brought, and bubbling and mixing, he boiling and mixed and testing. After testing in his inventing room, then he produced one tiny cupful of oily black liquid. He make a one tiny cupful of oily black liquid, a black liquid he produced from there, and gave 4 drops of it, only the 4 drops of it, that oily black liquid he has given only 4 drops of it, to whom, to a brave 20 years old, Oompa Loompa volunteer. He has given to a volunteer who was just 20 years old. And what was the name of that volunteer? Oompa Loompa. Okay, this was the name of that volunteer, Oompa Loompa volunteer. To see what had happened, okay, to see what it will be the effect on him. What did happen? Charlie asked. Charlie asked. He was very much curious to know that what had happened afterwards, after having that 4 drops of black liquid that he had produced, and this he has given to this Oompa Loompa. And after that, what it happened? He was very much curious to know that afterwards what it happened after swallowing this. Then the Wonka said it was fantastic. It was fantastic. It was great. The thing that they have produced, they have invented, was worked. The moment he swallowed means nigal jana, he began wrinkling and shriveling up. He began wrinkling, like how old people in their face or their body they have uh, wrinkle, no? He began wrinkling and shriveling, jakar jana, like, okay, and all over, and his hair also started dropping off. His hair also, old people, if you will become an old, then obviously your hair also will fall. The hair also is dropping off, and his teeth started falling. His teeth also started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75 years. He became the 20 years old boy, a volunteer whose name was Oompa Poompa, no, whose name was Oompa Loompa. He was just 20 years old, and now he became 75 years. He became 75 years. And thus, my dear Charlie, he was saying to Charlie, and that his Vita Vong was invented. He invented this Vita Vong. This is what this lesson is. Roll tale from Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. So I hope some of the things are there, which words that he has found, very old things he have found. And this lesson, I hope you have understood it, and if not, you can go through once the lesson, and after reading the lesson again you can watch the video, the explanation video, you can watch it and you will understand, okay, in a better way. Then after that we have something here, the questions answers are there. This also I will send it to you, okay. This questions answers also I will send it to you. You can write it down in your notebook with a neat and clean handwriting. So today I stopped here. We have finished this lesson, chapter 7 also. In the next class we will see the next chapter, that is chapter 8, okay. So I stopped here. Thank you very much.